story is My Red Hen. In this story, we are going to have some sight words and some words we can decode. Let's take a look at them now. The first sight word that we're going to see is the word my. The word my has a Y at the end, but has a heart there because the Y is making the I sound. My. This is the word has. Has is a heart word because the S we have to remember by heart. It makes a Z sound. Has. You'll see this in other words like his and is. The Z sound is what the S makes sometimes at the end of a word. This is the word have. We need to remember the E is silent and at the end, so we memorize that by heart. And finally, we have this word will. Will we need to remember by heart that it has two L's. This is the word wants. The A has a heart because it makes the ah sound. Wants. We have to remember that by heart. This is the word this. The beginning of the word this is a the sound. That's a digraph, and we need to remember that. With is this word, and it ends in a digraph. With. So we need to remember that by heart. And the starts with a hard digraph, th, the, and for the E. So both of these are different sounds that we need to remember. The. Now we're going to practice looking at some CVC words. CVC words have three letters, a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. The vowel is always in the middle. We use the short vowel sounds, so we can sound out these words. Sound them out with me. Ready? Here we go. Ed, red. N, hen. Et, pet. Say the words with me out loud. N, pen. Lot, lot. Did you say all the words with me? Keep going. Sound out the sounds out loud. N, ten. B-L, bell. Notice there's two L's here at the end that say L, just like in our sight word will. Say the sounds with me. Ed, fed. Get, get. These are all CVC words. Did you notice what's the same about all of these words on this side that's different about that word? That's right, all of these words have an E as the vowel in the middle, and the E says eh. Now we're going to do a little bit more practicing with CVC words. I have a list of CVC words here for you. You can see they all have three letters, and the vowel is in the middle. I'm going to have you say the word, and if you need to sound it out, that is just fine. You can try to beat me. It's called beat the teacher. You're going to try to say the word before I do. When I point, say the word out loud. Go ahead. Say that word. That's ran. Say the next word. This is jog. Say the next word. Pod. Say the next word. Nod. And say the last word. Van. Did you notice that in pod and nod, there's a D, and we need to use our B and D strategies to figure it out? Use your B and D strategies whenever you need to. Ready? Let's do the same thing down here. Try to beat me and say the word before I do. Go ahead, say the first word out loud. Man. Yet. Gag. Zap. Some. Were you able to say those before me? Or at least try sounding out the sounds? Keep it up. Last row. Say the first word. Fit. Say the next word. Hit. Say the next word. Cab. Say the next word. Tax. Say the last word. Lag. Great job saying the words and trying to beat me. If it was a little tough for you, that's something you can definitely work on. All right. Now we're going to play Beat the Teacher, but with our sight words from the story. So these are the same sight words we just worked on, and we are going to play a little game. So I'm just going to get set up here. In this game, you're going to try to beat the teacher. You're going to try to say the words before I do. So get your sheet out that looks like this and get your highlighter out. I'm going to point to a word and I'll say the word, and you're going to try to say it before I do. You're going to wait until I say it and check to see if you said it the same as I did. If you said the word correctly before I did, you may highlight by drawing one line across. No coloring, just one straight line across. Ready? Let's try it. Say this word. This is the word my. Highlight across with one line if you said it before I did. Say the next word. This is the word has. Draw one line across with your highlighter only if you said has before I did. If you didn't know the word, then you just leave it blank. If you said something else before I did, leave it blank. If you didn't, and it's just fine. You're competing only with yourself. All right, let's continue the same way. When I say the word, you will say it, and then after you hear me say the word, you may highlight if you had it correctly. Ready? Say the next word. Have. Say the next word. Will. Say the next word. Wants. Say the next word. This. Say the next word. With. Say the last word. The. Now you're going to see how many words you have highlighted. Let's pretend I only have 2 words that I knew and said correctly and beat the teacher on. So then I would write number 2 here. Count how many words you have highlighted and write the score here. Now let's go on to the second column. We're going to do the same game, but this time you're going to try to beat your score. So if I had 2 this time, I want to get more my second time. We're going to do the same thing. I'll say the word. You'll say the word and then wait to hear what I say. And if you got it correct after I say the word, you're going to highlight one time across. Ready? Here we go. Say the word. My. Say the word. Has. Say the next word. Have. Say the word. Will. Say the word. Wants. Say the word. This. Say the word. With. And say the last word. The. Now do the same thing and count up how many of these you have highlighted. Let's pretend I had 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. 2 and 2 is 4. I would write number 4 for my score. Count up how many you have highlighted and write your score on the line on your paper. Are you improving and learning more sight words and saying more each time? Let's see if you can get all 8 of them this time or beat your score that you had the previous time. Ready? Same thing. Here we go. Say the first word. My. Say the next word. Has. Say the next word. Have. Say the next word. Will. Say the next word. Wants. Say the next word. This. Say the next word. With. And say the last word. The. Now count up how many words you had this time and write your score here. Notice if you were getting better each time that you played. All right, so hopefully now you have these sight words and you've learned them and you're ready to read the book and look for these sight words. We're going to play detective. As I read, you will see if you can find the sight words in the text. So one of these sight words is on our first page. Can you find the word? Listen as I read. My red hen. Which sight word do you see here? Say it out loud. That's right, my. On this page, we have 3 sight words. When I read, see if you can find them. This is my hen. My hen is red. Say the sight words that you found. Did you find this, my, and my? Great work. On this page, we have two sight words. See if you can find them as I read. My red hen is a pet. She has a pen. Say the two sight words you found. Did you see my and has? Great work. On this page, we have three sight words. Find them as I read. I get my red hen. I put the hen in the pen. Say the three sight words you found. Did you find my, the, and the? Nice work. We have a lot of words on this page, and so we have several sight words. See if you can find the three sight words. Ready? Here we go. My hen is in a pen with 10 hens. We have a lot of pet hens. Say the three sight words you found. Did you find my, with, and have? Awesome work. On this page, we have three sight words. My red hen has a bell in the pen. Say the three sight words you found. Did you find my, has, and the? Awesome job. On this page, we have 5 sight words. Wow, look for them as I read. My hen will get the bell. My pet wants to be fed. Say the 5 sight words you found. Did you find them all? My, will, the, my, and wants? Wonderful job. I'm going to put our sight words aside, and this time we are going to read the book together. So say the words with me so you can learn them, and let's read together. Ready? Here we go. My red hen. This is my hen. My hen is red. My red hen is a pet. She has a pen. I get my red hen. I put the hen in the pen. My hen is in a pen with 10 hens. We have a lot of pet hens. Yes, they do. My red hen has a bell in the pen. My hen will get the bell. My pet wants to be fed. Awesome work reading with me, practicing sight words, and sounding out CBC words. Keep up the great work, and we'll work on My Red Hen again on the next video.